Now guys, we're back at the Blendery, and we've got a barrel pick going on now. I've been on tons of barrel selections now with Tim. I've literally been there when he's bought 50, 100, however many barrels. The point is, the Patreon, the first thing we're doing with Patreon for these guys was a randomizer. The only thing that's not random is Jimmy being here. But the randomizer shows selected a few people, and some of them have never been on a barrel pick before. So Tim's walking them through how to look for whiskey, what to consider, and they get to choose the first barrel pick for the Patreon.
Yeah. So we got to kind of climb over there.
Now, a couple things, guys. Have you guys, are you guys a part of anyone else's Patreon?
Yeah, Bourbon Judge.
Okay. And what made you guys join the Whiskey Blendery's Patreon?
Whiskey Blendery.
That's simple, right? How long have you guys been drinking whiskey?
6, 7 years.
What makes this place so special?
Great whiskey. That's easy.
The creativity of what y'all are doing here, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, I feel like he's got, I mean, all of y'all have a good palate, and just, it's hard to blend something and make it special and better than it was as a single barrel a lot of times. And y'all are taking some standout barrels that would be great on their own, and making them even better. Right? And it's really unique stuff.
Favorite bottle you guys have gotten from the barrels? That's a good man. Ooh.
There's a lot of the buff turkeys, right?
Great.
Always, but then outside of buff turkeys, RC Cola.
Absolutely. Absolutely. RC Cola is fantastic.
Yeah, I thought Mistrial was fantastic as well.
Oh, Mistrial.
Yeah.
Double Jeopardy series.
Yeah.
Super good. I try to get it.
Try Russell Feather. I hear amazing things about that.
Oh, you haven't had Russell Feather?
No.
I pulled out an empty bottle of it last night just to show Chance. I'm like, yeah, we finished that a year ago. Guys, the beauty about being here is I get first crack basically at everything. So, hey, you can go over here and do the barrel pick. I'm like, I was there when he picked the barrels, man. I needn't be there for that matter.
Good job.
What was the buff turkey? Wild strawberries or something?
Kentucky cream saver?
Kentucky, no, it was something strawberry.
Hey, what strawberry one?
Wild Kentucky Strawberry.
Yeah, wild Kentucky strawberry.
I mean, look,
it was crazy.
oh yeah. Or did you guys have a vinyl bicycle?
I didn't get that one. I didn't get raspberry.
It's a great one. I mean, look, we can go down the line on buff turkeys here. It just gets better and better and better. Well, for one, we're glad you guys to be here. Hopefully you guys find something amazing. What are you looking for today? You don't know?
Something unique that stands out and isn't kind of the same thing that we're used to. I mean, yeah, the MGP is MGP, but there's huge variations between barrels, right?
Well, that's what you
like
think,
the two
though.
we tasted right there, they're sister barrels, but they were totally different.
Hey, look, I'm telling you, if he told me all this came from one place, which it doesn't, but at one time it primarily did, you crack every barrel, you go, why does this all taste so different? And that's what makes it so much fun, because they're literally cousins, sisters, aunties, and mamas, and all of them taste a little bit better. Dude, what are you back here doing?
It was crazy.
Jesus Christ, you got this thing back. Look at you, go take, show that. You can't even get back no further, bro.
Oh, wow.
You can't even see. You got it even that.
Had a vacuum. Uh-oh. It might be too low.
Knock on that bitch.
I mean, it's not coming out. Surely not. Oh, it's not empty, but it's low. It's lower than this. Oh shit! Dang it!
That's not even feasible.
Oh, yeah.
And I heard a little vacuum, so then I put an air hole in, and I took my finger off, and nothing came out. So
Good sign or what?
that's a terrible sign.
Oh, okay.
So then I drilled down here to get that sample. So this would be our shortest barrel of all the 11 years that we're gonna try.
And this hadn't hit air in a long time.
Yeah, this would probably only be a legendary release
That's wild.
if it's really good.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm actually really curious what this is like.
Dude, that's tasty, bud.
So how many bottles do you think are in there?
Yeah,
That was one of the first things you know.
I don't think it's 60.
Oh shit, that's really short, man.
Yeah.
It tastes phenomenal. I'm gonna be honest.
I like the nose. It's much darker and richer than the other ones.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
More complex, sophisticated.
There's a chance it's much higher proof too. So it depends how the whiskey leaked out. If it leaked out from a barrel integrity issue, then it wouldn't have spiked in proof. If it was in a higher part of the warehouse and it just cooked, and then it could be much higher in proof.
Yeah, it has a lot more of the wow the second you take a sip.
It's very thick.
What's the ABV, Bubba?
Oh, that's cool.
It's really
That's
good.
unique.
It's really good.
120.
That's only 120. Man, that's cool. I really like that. Man, the caramel and the richness and the viscosity of that one.
What's the age on that barrel?
These are all the same, bro.
I wasn't here.
11.
It drinks older than 11. For
It
sure.
does drink older than 11.
I mean, the first thing I noticed too is the color difference.
Yeah.
The color, and it's like sticking to the glass. It's sticking to my mouth. Like, it's coated my mouth.
It's gonna be hard to beat that.
That one's cool. Yeah, if we would have tried this before trying the first one
Yeah, that's
tastes
crazy.
like water.
Yeah, like syrup.
That's a good one.
That's very good. You can try that.
Now, barrel pick, Patreon. Some of them have never been on the barrel pick. What makes your Patreon different or special?
Well, we're on the hunt for something special, so these guys are helping us pick the very first one, and we let them drive. So we're starting off with some 11-year bourbons. I don't know where we're going to end up, but I'm pretty confident we're going to find something special. Like, I really like this. If this one was higher yield, then we would put
Be a
that in the top.
no-brainer.
It'd be in the top, 2 or 3 for today. And yeah, we keep going until we find some magic. So even if we got to blend it.
There you have it. Now, guys, what are you guys thinking so far, man?
If this one had a higher yield, it would be a contender.
You want to bottle that today?
It's delicious.
No, it's tasty.
It's cool because it's balanced, so it's like creamy, but then like toasted at the same time.
Yeah.
On the backside.
I get some of that toast even on the nose.
Usually toast is dry, but creamy makes you salivate, so it's kind of cool. 'cause
Also,
it's,
these 11 years, are these
Yeah.
ones that turned 11
Yeah.
here, or you bought the 11 years?
They've only been here for a few weeks. So,
Okay, so
yeah, they turned 11 at MGP, and then we brought them in.
Oh, that's good. That's good, guys. Well, again, today, as you see, it's a crowd. And we digging in some barrels, man, trying to find some magic. Stay tuned, because magic only happened here at the Blendery.
That's amazing.
That's yummy.
It really is.
That's really good. Wow. And it's opening up nice too.